We do not produce goods or technology. We have the privilege and responsibility to manage a masterpiece of nature, Postojna Cave, and create unforgettable experiences. Our main focus is on sustainable development and innovation. We are the leading tourism company in the region, with 1 million visitors from around the world per year. I joined the company as the owner and CEO 5 years ago when the company was stagnant. Our strategic orientation of "we only do what is good for the cave and the visitors" immediately led to a rise in all performance indicators. With the same team, but with a changed mindset, we increased the number of visitors by almost 40%. Our above-average business performance is reflected in the Net Business Performance Index of plus 500. For 3 years, we have been the most successful tourism company with the highest credit rating. Visitor satisfaction and numerous awards are achieved together with this fantastic team. We all pursue the same goals. The train is taking us in the same direction. We succeeded mainly by following our hearts and emotional intelligence. It is essential not to force changes, but for employees to welcome them because they believe in them. They have all been united through a common goal, and with awakened pride, they started passing their enthusiasm on to the visitors. A visit turned into an experience. We have developed our own information technology, which allows us to identify visitors' needs, planning and optimization of work processes in all areas and departments. A special focus is on educating youth, which is based on an interdisciplinary integration with tourism and karstology-related science, which is why we support exploration of the underground world. Through charisma, ethical behavior, and business excellence, the CEO in his public appearances raises the prestige and significance of the entire tourism industry. Above all, we definitely have the best sales and marketing, which follow all global trends, thus making us a big marketing winner among all Slovenian companies. Our central aim is satisfied visitors, who are our best ambassadors. People can satisfy their momentary needs through objects, but their eternal need is the need for beauty. It took nature millions of years to create Postojna Cave, drop by drop. We are here to treat it with respect and preserve it for future generations, as understanding sustainable development is essential for the world's balance. In fact, the world consumes and exploits too much of everything, and to find a balance means to find a right way that benefits humanity. This is done best only through responsible and successful businesses. On behalf of future generations, we will continue to take great care of the cave.